Welcome to day number 7 of our 28-day challenge. This is the seated version of separating water. Now, separating water looks like you are separating water. It starts out with lifting sun and moon. So if our hands are on our laps, we drop them by our sides and we lift our palms up. Inhale and exhale. That's lifting sun and moon. If we lift up and we push out, that's like in pushing mountains, and then leave our palms out, fingertips to the sky. Rotate the wrists so the fingertips point inward at a 45-degree or greater. We need to make sure the shoulder doesn't become tense. And then we open up the chest, open up the arms, open up the chest. Inhale. Close back. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Now, at any time, if you feel tense, drop the arms. Shake it out a little bit. Relax. Go back to lifting sun and moon. Pushing, rotating, separating water. Closing. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Breathing in as you open up your chest. Breathing out as you bring the fingertips back closer together. Now let the hands float down. Relax. And since you know the movement now, I invite you to close your eyes if you feel safe and practice along with me. As we drop our arms down, closing the eyes, lifting sun and moon up the sides of the body, rotating the palms to the front, pushing out, rotating the fingers toward each other and opening up the chest. Inhale and exhale. Now, continue on, linking your breath to your motion. Breathing in as you open, breathing out as you close. Continue on. Do a few more repetitions. And if you get tight, drop your arms. Shake it out, relax. Lift sun and moon. Pass out. Open up the arms. Close the arms. Separating water. Continue for a few more repetitions. Then let your hands float down. Nice.